today's presentation is going to be on human-centered AI soft skills that make visual AI work in manufacturing. I know sometimes with the rise of AI, a lot of us think, AI is going to rule the world. It's not, it still needs human interaction and, AI, we could do so many things with it. The world is really our oyster. So technology works best when it amplifies human potential, not when it tries to replace it. So I hope that quote can resonate with you. So AI in manufacturing means more than machines. AI doesn't work in isolation. It's not just hardware, algorithms, and sensors. It's about how people interact with and apply the technology. Visual AI success depends on people. The effectiveness of AI relies on operators, managers, and engineers who use it daily. Without human buy-in and engagement, even the most advanced AI struggles to deliver results. And human factors often make or break adoption. Fear of job loss, lack of training, resistance to change, or poor communication can stall adoption. When people are supported, educated, and empowered, adoption accelerates and success becomes sustainable. For me, I love utilizing AI. I know sometimes when we start using it, we tend to maybe get a little bit scared because it's a new technology that's evolving every single day. The internet was the same thing when it first came out. Everyone thought it was going to replace the world, but AI is a tool like everything else, and it doesn't work unless you utilize the tool. So, and with the world of AI and everything that's happening, I know every single day there's always something new coming up. The most important skill that we need was once considered the soft skills, right? Those are going to be the hard skills, and I'll share more on that later. So why soft skills matter? Tech is only half the equation. The best algorithms mean little if the workforce doesn't understand or trust them. Machines bring efficiency, but people bring meaning and execution. Workers need to trust, understand, and use AI. Trust comes from transparency and training. Understanding comes from clear communication. Usage comes from making AI accessible and valuable in day-to-day work. Soft skills bridge the gap between algorithms and adoptions. Communication, empathy, adaptability, and collaboration ensure that AI is not just implemented, but embraced. These skills transform AI from a technical tool into a practical solution that improves productivity, safety, and work confidence. Without soft skills, AI stays theoretical. Without soft skills, AI becomes a driver of, with soft skills, AI becomes a driver of real-world transformation on the factory floor. So this is why soft skills so matter to now more than ever, right? AI is gonna automate a lot of things, but we're still gonna need human connection. We're still gonna need our innovation to create different things out there to see what else we could do with this new technology. So here's some core soft skills that is needed. Communication, simplify technical language into terms everyone can understand, right? We make it super simple. Create open channels for feedback and questions. Ensure messages about AI's purpose and benefits are consistent across all levels of the organization. Empathy and trust. Recognize and address work concerns about automation and job security. Involve employees early in the AI rollout to give them ownership. Show how AI reduces repetitive, unsafe, and error-prone tasks, freeing workers for high-value contributions. Adaptability. Encourage a culture of flexibility and learning. Train employees to handle evolving AI tools and updates. Reward teams for embracing change rather than resisting it. Collaboration. Foster cross-functional teamwork between engineers, operators, and managers. Break down silos to ensure every perspective is included in AI implementation. Use collaborative problem solving to align technical goals with our shop floor realities. So communication and action. Translate complexity into simple terms. Avoid jargon. Instead of saying the model uses convolutional neural networks, explain the system scans for surface defects, much like the human eye, but faster and more consistently. Show why AI matters, not just how. Highlight tangible outcomes like fewer defects, reduced rework, or safer working conditions. Connect AI benefits directly to workers' daily challenges and goals. Use visuals, demos, and examples. Demonstrate AI in real time. We've seen some of that today in the talks. Live defect detection demo is an example. Use before and after visuals to quality improvements. Share short case studies where AI helped workers solve problems more efficiently. So If you've ever used AI to solve a work problem or a business problem, feel free to share that. It just shows, we can utilize AI to our advantage and not thinking that it's going to take over us. Encourage two-way communication. Allow employees to ask questions, share doubts, and provide feedback. This dialogue builds trust and makes them part of the process. Building trust. Trust is probably the most important part of all this. Acknowledge worker concerns about automation. Workers may worry that AI could replace their roles. Address these fears openly instead of avoiding them. Emphasize that their expertise and judgment remain essential. Position AI as a partner, not a threat. Frame AI as a tool that assists employees, helping them perform tasks faster, safer, and with more accuracy. Reinforce the idea that AI takes away the repetitive and dangerous tasks, allowing humans to focus on higher level problem solving. This is what we want to use AI for the mundane things that take so much time. Now we can utilize our brain for something bigger and better and really create a better solution for the workplace, for the company, and beyond. Highlight real benefits for employees. Safer working conditions. AI can detect hazards before accidents happen. Less repetitive work. Automated checks reduce monotonous inspection tasks. Greater empowerment. Workers get actionable insights, enabling smarter decisions and more control over processes. Show examples of success. Share stories where AI improved quality while making work easier for staff. Let workers who've had positive experiences become advocates to build trust among peers. So I utilize AI every single day. Whether it's content building, being able to check some mistakes that I've had. It's really helped me just learn to let go of the little things and focus on the bigger things. And I love utilizing AI. I think everyone should be utilizing AI, especially that it's coming, like I said, every day there's always something new. And, for me, it's also important for women to embrace it because there's a huge gap when it comes to leadership in the AI space. And for me, that is a big deal because, now we can utilize AI to build our voices, be seen in a way never before. And if we don't utilize it, we fall behind again. So this is why for me, I love talking about AI. I'm not the most technical person, but I will be willing to play around with it, ask questions. One of the things I love doing is learning different prompts, right? Because it's all in the prompts that give you the right answers and solutions. So if you've ever utilized AI to improve your life, feel free to share it in the chat. Would love to see that, and we'll read some of it later on as we go through this presentation. So adaptability. Manufacturing environments change quickly. New customer demands, supply chain issues, and production updates require teams to be flexible. AI is a tool that evolves, and workers must evolve alongside it. Encourage a mindset of continuous learning. Promote a culture where employees view learning as part of the job. Offer training sessions, hands-on practice, and mentorship to make AI less intimidating and more approachable. Retrain teams as AI tools evolve. When visual AI systems upgrade, ensure employees are retained to use new features effectively. Ongoing education reduces frustration, increases confidence, and ensures adoption. Reward adaptability. Recognize teams and individuals who embrace change. Celebrate quick learners and problem solvers who show resilience, making adaptability a valued part of company culture. And link adaptability to growth. Show workers that learning AI skills can lead to career advancement, not job loss. This mindset shift motivates employees to lean into change rather than resist it. I know sometimes we think AI is going to replace a lot of jobs, and maybe it will. Yes, it will, but it's also going to create so many new other jobs, right? There's a report that mentioned even with the new numbers created minus the jobs taken away, there's still a huge surplus. I think the surplus was like 78 million still on top of that. So, it's all about having this abundance mindset and know there's more than enough out there for us to create something amazing, to have a job where it can actually better ourselves, right? And so this is why for me, like it is important to utilize AI to learn it, to have it in your daily life, in your daily job or business, or even personal life. Collaboration across roles. Engineers provide technical expertise. They design, build, and fine-tune visual AI systems. Their role is to ensure technical accuracy and performance. Operators offer ground-level insights. Operators see firsthand how processes work day to day. Their input ensures that AI systems are practical, usable, and aligned with real production needs. Managers connect strategy with execution. Managers balance organizational goals with operational realities. They ensure AI initiatives align with business objectives and provide resources for smooth integration. All voices are critical to success. When engineers, operators, and managers collaborate, AI adoption is smoother and more sustainable. Collaboration prevents blind spots, reduces resistance, and fosters shared ownership. And here's a practical example. Defect detection AI system is most successful when engineers ensure the algorithm is correct, operators validate that the interface is simple and usable, managers ensure time and training are allocated for smooth rollout. And here's some more examples, visual AI defect detection in manufacturing. So without training, operators are unsure how to interpret results, leading to mistrust, confusion, and resistance. AI tools are seen as disruptive rather than helpful. With communication and trust, workers understand how the AI system spots defects, why it helps, and how it makes their jobs easier. They become confident in using the tool. Impact of effective adoption, faster defect detection improves quality and reduces rework. Workers feel empowered as they can act on AI insights rather than relying solely on guesswork. Managers see measurable efficiency gains while employees experience safer and less stressful workflows. Lesson learned, technology succeeds only when people are trained, supported, and included in the rollout process. And here's some key takeaways. We're almost done and we'll have lots of time for questions or comments. Visual AI is only as effective as the people using it. The technology provides insights, but without skilled and confident workers to act on them, its value is limited. Soft skills is the glue between innovation and impact. Communication, empathy, adaptability, and collaboration ensure that AI becomes embedded in daily operations rather than remaining a side project. Human-centered AI empowers, not replaces. AI should be positioned as a partner that enhances human capability. When people feel ownership of the technology, they trust it more and use it better. And the bottom line is successful AI in manufacturing is not about man versus machine. It's about man with machine working together for stronger outcomes. And I'd love to end with this quote: machines can see patterns, but only people can see purpose. And we're towards the end. So if you'd like to connect with me, here's my barcode. I have all my social media, my books, website, and other resources that can help you out. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation and realize how AI can really be a great tool for us when we use it properly. So, and I'll also, if people want a copy of the presentation, I can also just drop it in the chat